Buying a gift card in Nigeria is actually very easy, but now you not get the update. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kevin, and in today's video I'm going to show you the fastest and the easiest way to purchase a gift card using the PalmPay mobile app. So with that being said, let's get down to business. Open the PalmPay app and make sure you have some funds in your account. Now if you don't have the PalmPay app, go to the Play Store or your Apple Store and download the PalmPay app. Now when you are done, you click on More. When you click on More, you locate Gift Card. Now select the gift card you want to buy. At the very top here, you're going to see Apple. Alright, so if you want to purchase an Apple gift card, you click on Apple. And if you want to purchase any other gift card, you just select the one you want to purchase. As you can see here, we have the Apple, the PlayStation, Steam, Google Play, Spa, Spotify, Amazon, Walmart, and so many other gift cards here. All right, so I'm going to select the Apple gift card here. Then you click on the country. So you choose the country you want to purchase. We have the United States and we have the United Kingdom. So I'm going to select the United States, which is the popular gift card countries. All right, so you just select the United States. Now here you select the amount of gift card you want to purchase. So for example, you want to purchase $3, you select $3. If you want to purchase $4, you click on the $4. And if you want to purchase the $5, click on the $5. And then any amount you want to purchase, you can just select it here and it will deduct Naira from your account. All right. So for example, you want to purchase $2. I'm going to purchase $2 here. I'll click on the $2 and 3,431 Naira will be deducted from my account. All right. So I'm purchasing $2 worth of Apple gift card at 3,431 Naira. So I'll click on the buy, then confirm to pay. All right, so you click on confirm to pay. So I'll click on it. So it's loading. So as you can see, I've successfully purchased a $2 worth of Apple gift card. So this is how you purchase a gift card using the Apple mobile app. You can also click on view details to see more information about this iTunes card. All right, so just click on view details and you're going to see everything you need to know about the gift card. So you can either send this as a gift to your family and your loved ones, or you can even use it to pay for Apple subscriptions like Apple Music, Prime Videos, Netflix, and other services. So if you are going to be sending this gift card to someone, or you are going to be using it yourself, all you have to do is click on the copy. All right, you click on the copy to copy the code. Please note that if you are using this iTunes card for Apple services like Apple Music, Prime Videos, Netflix, you will have to change your iCloud country to United States. All right, you have to change your iCloud location to United States. So you go to your settings and change your country to United States before you can actually use this for Apple services. Now this is the fastest and the easiest way to purchase a gift card here in Nigeria. Now I'm going to be dropping this in the comment section for the fastest finger. So go over to the comment section right now and make use of it as you wish. So I guess this is the fastest and the quickest way to buy a gift card in Nigeria. I'll see you in my next video. If you have watched this video to the very end and you have still not subscribed to my channel, I would love you to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for more amazing content. See you in the next one.